We do in-house jewelry appraisals, which is really nice. Our process is you'll come in, you'll leave your item with us to appraise. We'll give you an estimate to have it appraised. And what the appraisal is, it's an insurance replacement cost. So if that item was lost or stolen, what would it cost to replace a similar item like the item that was lost or stolen? And that's the value that we come up with and put on the actual appraisal. Some insurance companies require that updated every 5 years, sometimes every 2 years, every 10 years. Just depends on the actual insurance company themselves. We charge a standard flat fee to actually do the initial appraisal and then do a reduced amount to actually update the appraisal later on if you need that to be done. So another added value of purchasing jewelry from Mitchum Jewelers is we do complimentary appraisals on items that are purchased at our store. So let's say you have a $10,000 engagement ring. Hypothetically, may cost you $100, $150 a year to insure that ring, and it typically covers loss, theft, mysterious disappearance, and actually they've covered a lot of times repair. So like, let's say the ring gets damaged or left outside, run over by a car or something. A lot of times they'll cover the actual repair cost to have that done too. So having your jewelry insured is a recommendation because people wear their jewelry harder than others, and sometimes, jewelry gets banged up. That's why we employ jewelers. People will bring us a shoebox of jewelry and say, hey, I need this appraised. They don't need it appraised. They just need us to help distinguish, hey, is this real? Is this not real? Is this worth having appraised? Is it not worth having appraised? And we're happy to do all that. We're very quick and efficient at sorting and sifting through stuff and saying, hey, these are some special pieces. I would recommend actually having these appraised. These pieces over here, they're just for fun costume jewelry. You can sell those at a garage sale or wherever.